Hey guys, John here. So in this video, we're going to be installing some new rock sliders onto the 4Runner by Westcott Designs. So hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. Before we install them onto the 4Runner, I just wanted to show you them real quick. The quality, holy smokes. So if you guys have been around with my channel for a little bit, you know that I had some sliders on the 4Runner before, and the fit and finish wasn't the best. This, night and day difference from the other brand that I had on the 4Runner. So these are CNC bent. They're also laser cut. So everything about this steel is laser cut. On their website, it says to ensure a perfect finish for every single one. So we'll see how it lines up to all the 4Runner holes. And their welding on this DOM steel is so good. Look at these welds. Comes powder coated. These ones are the 20 degree. So it's laying flat on the floor. You can kind of see the angle that we're gonna get of it. Not too crazy of an angle, still good enough to step on. With the top plates, you got some angle brackets right here to help with rigidity. And then this is the underside. This is the driver's side. Comes with all the hardware down there. But just look at the welds. So stout. Very nice. Let's get these installed. Okay, so getting down underneath the 4Runner, I've pretty much lined it up. I need to move this over a little bit, but you can see where we're gonna be going with. So all these holes that are pre-drilled out, they're gonna line up with these frame holes on the 4Runner themselves. So my old sliders were right here, and these old frame holes already are threaded for the bolts that are provided with this kit. So a little bit rough. I could use a jack, but I just placed this on myself. Placed it on myself, put a bolt up here, and then while holding it, I was able to get a bolt started to at least hold the front end of the sliders. Now, before you crank any of these bolts down, I'd make sure every single one is in, because this slider could be shifted just a little bit. So if you leave them all loose, you're able to manipulate the slider around, so you're able to properly put the bolt in, so you're not going to cross thread it just trying to catch the thread. So I would leave pretty much every single one loose. That way you can move the slider around if needed on both the front and back before tightening any of the bolts down. And also, if I had sliders at the time, probably wouldn't have that freaking door ding right there. All right, and we have everything mocked up. All the bolts are in. And then right here where this brake line is, you're just going to have to pull that off. There's a little notch in here from the Westcott kit, and make sure that that bolt goes in. All right, and fully installed. 20 degree ain't that bad. So I had 0 degree on this thing before, but 20 degree really isn't that bad. Kick out goes pretty much to the tire. I have -12 offset tires, so that's perfect. But the kick out is further than the rear quarter panel of the vehicle, which is exactly what you want. And then we will open the door. Nice thing about these top plates, you could stand on them, access the top of your 4Runner for whatever you may need. Pretty stout. And then you have a bigger kick out with the kick out plate right here. You have a lot more room to step on to get up on top the 4Runner for whatever you have up here. And the driver's side's done, and it just bolted right up to the frame as well. I need to get some in the back. I need to get some in the back right there though, but I didn't have like a ratcheting wrench, but for now they are perfectly fine. I just need to get a ratcheting wrench, but everything is installed and looking good. Starts pretty much right at the front of the wheel well, so right where you would transition over. I'm gonna have some protection right here, and then with the kick out towards the back. I like these ones because they kick out a lot more than the last sliders I had. The last sliders kind of went right here and then they curved in like very early. These kickouts actually go pretty far back as opposed to those ones. And I also have a set of 0 degree rock sliders for the Tacoma. These are pretty long because my Tacoma is a 6-foot bed truck, double cab, 6-foot bed. So these are also from Westcott Designs, and we'll be installing them in a future video. So if you have a Tacoma, definitely make sure you come back. So guys, if you're new around here, definitely consider subscribing if you like installs like this. Returning subscribers as always. Appreciate your guys' support, and I'll catch you in the next video. All right, see you later.